Do you feel like destiny is working against you? Are you exhausted from the constant defeats that seem to embrace you, despite the sweat you pour out day and night? Today's video isn't for those who want to sit and cry. It's for those who want an account of their hard work and are ready to rewrite their fate. The struggle. The problem isn't that you are lazy. The problem is that you are working yourself to the bone, giving it your blood and sweat, yet your bank balance remains stagnant. At night when you are alone, you ask yourself just one question. I work so hard, so why don't I have anything to show for it? The same old shoes, the same old bicycle, and the same taunts from people. When your family asks, did anything happen? You have to look away. It feels like you're trapped in a deep pit. The harder you try to climb out, the further you slide down. It feels like the world has moved on, and you've been left behind. The reality check. But wait, have you ever wondered why a laborer works 12 hours a day and a billionaire does too? Both get tired, so why are the results so different? Change happens when you realize that the world doesn't pay for effort, the world pays for value. Hard work is necessary to change your luck, but without the right direction, it only leads to exhaustion. Money flows when you solve a significant problem for someone else. Stop looking at the lines on your palms and start sharpening your skills. Until you turn yourself into an asset, your hard work will remain a burden. Don't just work like a donkey, hunt for opportunities like a lion. The story of the hammer. There was once a man whose massive ship broke down. Top-tier engineers gave up. Finally, an old mechanic arrived. He took a small hammer, tapped a specific part once, and the ship roared to life. He sent a bill for $10,000. The owners asked in shock, $10,000 just for one hammer strike? He smiled and replied, for hitting with the hammer, $1. For knowing exactly where to hit, $9,999. That is the difference between just working hard and working in the right place. The path forward. Being born poor is not your fault, but dying poor will be your greatest mistake. The world does not see your struggle, it only sees your success. Be capable, not a victim. The more you work now, the less you will have to compromise later. Sit down today and think. Are you just a part of the crowd, or are you the one who changes the crowd's direction? Work on your skills, learn something new, and make yourself so valuable that people line up just to buy your time. Give your hard work a direction. It will take time and it will hurt. But remember, the sun sets every day only to rise and shine again the next morning. Your hard work will not go to waste. Don't change your goal, change your method. Your victory is certain.